So yeah, let's try this. So hello everyone, this is Adam. So during this video, I'll be frozen yogurt. So I got cookies and cream, got wild strawberry, pomegranate, got strawberry, wild strawberry, pomegranate, watermelon. So I'm ready to try it. Tastes like strawberry, watermelon, wild strawberry, pomegranate. Tastes like cookies and cream. I really love it. Like, I really love this. It's good. It's a frozen treat. It's a good treat to have for summer. It's really good. It's a good treat to have for summer, and I really love it. It's a really good ass motherfucking summer treat. Yo, this frozen yogurt is so good. It is so good for a motherfucking summer treat. It is so good. Like, it's frozen treats with a lot of frozen flavors. Huh? It is good for the summer. It gives you refreshment. It's a good frozen treat. Oh yeah. Really got it. Ice cream tastes like good. Really delicious. Tastes like strawberry, pomegranate, watermelon, and cookies and cream. Flavors like that. Tastes really good and tastes just like those flavors. It's delicious. So if you guys like the video, please subscribe and have a good evening. Bye guys. Great summer treat. Frozen treat is great for summer. It cools me down. And it's a great summer treat. And I really love it. It tastes like ice cream popsicles. So have a good evening. Bye guys.